Hi Liam, what are you making today?
We're making some fish fingers.
Making fish fingers?
Let's cut them.
Yes, there's the fish that I've cut into strips.
Yeah, look. And
And
these are crushed.
those are eggs that Liam is whisking up.
And there's a pepper inside that.
Yes, I've put some pepper and some salt in there, and then we're just going to mix in some corn flour or cornstarch
See this? I'm trying to
and some
do
normal
like
flour.
that. Turn this like this to be
You're gonna
better.
take forever to mix it like that.
Yes.
So we're gonna dip it in that, and then we're gonna coat it in breadcrumbs, and we're gonna fry it nicely.
Then we're gonna use the fork to take it out.
Yes.
Then we have to use the fork and the knife again.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna keep with that.
Yes. And what are we gonna have with the fish fingers?
French fries.
Oh, French fries. The mommy's also gonna make.
I've been trying to mix this for a long time.
Okay, so I'm gonna help Liam to mix up quickly.
Look, this is my here's all the eggs.
Yes, we're gonna mix it up now, and then we're gonna just let it sit in the batter for a little bit. Okay, now mommy has just added in some corn flour and some cornstarch and some normal cake flour. And we're mixing it all up. We're gonna make a paste.
And now we're turning it into a sticky on this brush. This is cool, yeah. This one. You're gonna clean that up.
Yes, well, yeah,
What
just
is this thing called?
a whisk.
A whisker. Yeah, I'm mixing with this. Whoa, it's so sticky.
Yes, it'll get sticky as the flour and the cornstarch mix with the egg.
See how slimy this is?
Yes, it is slimy because it's egg mixed with flour and corn
These
flour.
snatches boom.
Yes, this says it's a curd or yogurt container, but we actually keep our flour in there.
But look, I'm trying to turn.
Yes, Liam is mixing.
Yeah,
Marijke is filling over there so she can make some coffee for us.
Yes, Daddy. Daddy wants black coffee. Look, see? Now these are mixed. Now turn to this color.
Okay, so Marijke is putting in the fish in the batter. Liam is mixing it. And Marijke is taking it out and keeping it in the plate. So you can put more than one piece, mix it all up.
I'm just testing.
Don't have to put it nicely.
Yeah, just one more, please.
You can put a few pieces in it, like 2-3 pieces.
If the fish wants to come on my fork. That one. Let's just give a little bit of that fish. That fish.
Okay, so this is now becoming, looks like,
This to, if you help me, Mom, it will be very nice.
yes, it is nice, but now it's becoming more of a plate thing for Liam. Fast.
Yeah.
So we can coat all the fish,
I'll put 3 at a time.
because there's lots of fish. And make sure your hands are clean before you do this.
Okay, that fish is good. Has to be fast. And make sure all the egg that's extra.
Yeah, just take it out, and then we're going to mix it all up together anyways again. I just want to get them all coated.
Mixing. Wow, I got 2 at a time.
Wow.
Maybe this one wants to help. Let's just put that one out.
We are just waiting for the oil to get hot, and then there's our fish in the batter with the egg and flour and corn flour and salt and pepper mix. So just waiting for it to set a little bit while the oil is getting hot. Yes, this is very cook. There's the gas hob.
But this uses the gas, see?
Yes, there's a gas pipe.
Look for the skeleton.
Yes, okay. The skeleton means it's dangerous.
Yeah, man.
Isn't that right, Liam?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
Why do we have to let the fish sit in the batter?
You have to let it sit a little bit and get to room temperature, otherwise it doesn't cook nicely. You too. So what is the safety rules for when you work with hot oil?
Stand back.
Yes.
Stand back. Don't go close. And secondly, let Mommy and Daddy help you because it's very dangerous with hot oil. It burns badly.
Yes, it does
Yeah,
burn
like
very
I
bad.
broke yesterday myself.
You did?
Yes.
When did you work with hot oil that I don't know about?
I think he was talking about the other time.
Probably another day.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
Liam,
far away.
yes,
That time.
because Liam likes to stand very close, as you can see, to the hot oil when I'm busy making it, and sometimes it splatters. And
Here.
yes, sometimes it splatters, and then it splatters on you. Yes, it's very dangerous. Yes, okay. So here's our fish.
Oh.
We're gonna fry it in the hot oil. We're gonna check the oil now.
I need
Okay,
my
yes.
chair to come up.
Okay. How is the fish fingers, Liam?
Yum.
Yum.
Yes.
Marijke, how is the fish fingers?
Yummy.
Yummies.
Yeah, now they taste.
They're tasty.
Uh-huh.
So do I get a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up. Or a giant thumbs up.
Abs-
But I use tomatoes.
yes, you eat everything with the tomato sauce.
Chicken nuggets of this.
Mm-hmm.
This is fish fingers. And fish fingers are tasty. Made just out of fish. But they're healthy.
Very healthy. Why they're healthy?
Because they make you healthy. They have vitamins in it
Mm-hmm.
and all good other good stuff.
All good minerals, vitamins, and lots of good omegas, which is the fish oils, which is good for your brains.
Guys, it was fun making the fish fingers. Give a thumbs up just like we did for mommy because it was so yummy. If you want to make fish fingers, you saw the recipe what we used. That's the same. You just need fish. So guys, subscribe to our channel for more videos and we love you for watching us and supporting us.